So hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Salise, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's vlog or for today's video is we are going to do another unboxing. This is from Paris Belle. Ayan, this is a perfume brand guys. So pinadala nila ito kasi ito yung new scents nila. So they want me to try their new scents. So thank you so much Paris Belle. Ayan, if you want to check out their perfumes, guys, check nyo tong www.parisbelle.co. Ayan. So, this is binigay nila yan from Queen Salise, then building namin, and number ni ko. So, kahapon lang to dumating, but I don't have time para i-unbox siya. Kaya ngayon ko siya i-unbox at ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, without further ado, let's open. So, ito siya, guys. Buksan na natin. Usually, yung mga ibang perfume guys na nagpapadala sa akin, as in mga either paper bags or ano talaga sila, packaging na malala. Ito, parang, ito siguro yung pinaka-box nila. Then, ayan, open na natin. Ano ba? Alam nyo, ayan o, may kumakalog na something. So, minsan kinakabahan ako, baka nabasag ba, ganyan. Kasi sayang naman ko. And meron siyang, yan siya. Meron na siyang letter. Love letter. Nakalagay dito. Ayan siya. Nakalagay, Dear Queen Salise, we're thrilled to share with you our Oasis collection, a fragrant journey through sunlit, dunes, blooming florals, and whisper of the Orient. Crafted with care, inspired by the golden heart of the Arabian Peninsula, each scent is a tribute to the region's timeless beauty and elegance. Would be delighted to hear how the Oasis collection resonate with you. Warmth regards, Team Paris Belle. Paris Belle. Ayan. So, you can scan their QR code, guys, para i-follow sila sa lahat ng kanilang social media account. Or you can search at Paris Belle. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Paris Belle. It's a nice letter. Alam niyo, natutuwa ako kapag may mga PR package or mga brands na nagpapadala. Tapos may letter talaga siya with my name. Grabe yung effort nila. Though I know na pwedeng yung nakasulat dito is kumbaga copy and paste to all receiver or mga vloggers or influencer dito sa UAE. Pero the fact na may name mo is really appreciated. Kagaya nitong isa din to. Kinikip ko talaga yung mga ganyan kasi natutuwa ako. Then meron sila, thank you for choosing Paris Belle. We pour our expertise and craftsmanship into every detail of this creation. We hope it brings you joy and elegance in every use. We'd love to hear your thoughts or see how you wear it. Share with us at Paris Belle Official. Ayan, on Instagram. So, that is their code, guys. I mean, yung logo nila. So, PB na nakabaliktaran. So, it was so nice. It was so nice. And yeah, is it this one? So, buksan na natin siya. So, yun guys, ito yung kaputol ng vlog natin. Kasi kahapon nag-shoot ako and na-busy ako dahil gumawa ako ng pang-post sa aking other social media accounts. And nakalimutan kong ituloy yung vlog na to. So, ngayon, samahan niyo ako dahil this is the continuation of the vlog na pinanood nyo kanina. So, this is Paris Belle from... this is a Lara perfume from Paris Belle. Ayan. So, ito yung new scent nila. So, they sent me this one. And sobrang ganda ng bottle, guys. Look Alam niyo yung napaka-elegant ng bottle pa lang. Actually, kapag nakaganyan siya, yung box niya, mukhang, alam mo yung malalaman mong parang older version of perfume talaga. Then, pagbukas mo, na palang nung lagayan niya, na humahalimuyak na yung bango. As in, nagustuhan ko yung bango niya dahil napaka-elegant. Alam mo yung hindi nakakahilo. Kasi pinakaayaw ko talaga sa perfume, guys, is yung nakakahilo. But this one, nakuha niya ako. Ayan, so very elegant, guys, from the packaging itself. Ayan, yung mga pag-gold niya dyan. Look. And also, may paganyan pa para hindi mo agad makita yung surprise nila. And, tada! Yung bottle. Nandito yung explanation. This is part of Oasis collection. Actually, I think this is 5 Oasis collection. 5 perfume siya na iba-iba yung kulay for men, women, unisex, ganon. Merong green, may white, may black, may itong burgundy red nila. And yeah, upon checking, guys, yung bottle is talaga namang mapapawaw ka talaga. Alam mo yung may class ang dating, bagay na bagay dito sa aking shelves na pagdi-displayan ko ng mga perfume, guys. Dahil may bago akong hobby ngayon, collecting perfume, not for the scent, but for the cutie patoti bottles. So, tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda ng bottle. Yung touch of gold in the burgundy is very, very nice talaga, as in. And bote pa lang, naamoy mo na yung laman eh. Grabe, grabe talaga. And I think this is a long-lasting perfume. Kasi, kahapon ko pa in-spray dun sa damit ko. And hanggang ngayon, naaamoy ko pa. Dun sa suot ko ka, first part. And, yeah. So, yan. Look, guys. Diba? Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Ang ganda ng bote. As in, yayamanin. Then, nandyan lagi yung logo nila. PB, Paris Belle, meron din dito. Meron din dito. Ayan. And then, ayan. Paris Belle. But yung name ng perfume na ito is Alara. Ayan. Alara. And this is from Istanbul. Ayan. Ganun yung ano nila. And kapag inamoy nyo pa lang, fresh yung naaamoy nyo. Pero, alam niyo yung mamahaling perfume, but this is for just 90 dirhams, guys. Sale tong product na to. And ang laki niya. As in, magagamit nyo ng matagal to. And sulit na dito. This is 90 dirhams because it's on sale. But I forgot kung magkano yung presyo nito. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. And yeah, it's so nice. At kapag in-spray mo siya, bango. As in, ang bango niya talaga, guys. Amoy elegant, amoy mayaman. Kapag dumaan kayo, ito yung perfume nyo, dumaan kayo sa, tawag dito, dumaan kayo sa dadaanan ninyo, mapapaganon talaga yung mga nasa, mga dinaanan nyo. And parang, diba? Kahit walang laman ng bulsa mo, may perfume ka na magmumukha kang mayaman. And bagay siya for everyday for me. Yes. Pero alam mo yung tipong may date ka with your husband or boyfriend or partner mo, pwede. Night date siya. Ganon. Ganon siya for me. So, yeah. Overall, guys, is 10 over 10 yung ano niya. Na-spray ko dito sa takip. 10 over 10 yung bottle and yung bango niya. Pumasa siya sa ilong ko. Thank you, Lord. May pumasa sa ilong ko. And grabe. Alam nyo, this past few months, as I am doing perfume vlogs, talagang nagle-level up, guys, yung aking pang-amoy. Dahil sobra talaga, meron akong allergic rhinitis. Kaya hindi ako mahilig sa pabango. Na-allergy ako, nababahing ako, nahihilo ako, nababahuan ako sa mabango minsan. Yung pag-over yung bango, ganun ayaw ko. But so far, lahat ng mga pinapadala sa akin, nagugustuhan ko, guys. Pumapasa siya sa ilong ko. Grabe. And if you will ask me if this Paris Belle Alara perfume is recommended, yes, definitely a worth to try. Battle pa lang, guys. Go nyo na. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye, everyone! Mwah!